Hey everyone, my name is Amber and welcome to your Grip It Girl sponsored golf lesson. Today we are actually putting the grip in Grip It Girl. Today we are going to focus on the golf grip. So I have my trusty Grip It Girl golf club, which will definitely come in handy, no pun intended, when learning this aspect of the golf swing. So first we're going to learn the interlock. We're going to just place our hands right in front of us, and what we're going to do is take the pinky finger of our right hand and the pointer of our left, and we're going to just interlock them together like so. So practice doing that a few times and kind of fold your hands over and get comfortable with that feeling. And what we're going to do is the same thing with the golf club. So if you take a club, put your hands behind it, you will take the pinky again and that left hand pointer finger and interlock it together like so. And we have the club kind of resting on our hands, and what we want to do is rest them on our fingers and just fold the fingers over like this. This is a very important aspect of the golf grip, is to keeping the club in your fingers. We from here will just fold our hands right over the golf club like so, and you will see that you have created little V's with your fingers. Just take a look and see where those are pointed. We want them generally to be pointed to your right shoulder. So just kind of look down and adjust it so that for the most part, both of those V's are pointed towards your right shoulder. This will help give you a correct placement of your hands on the golf club. And then you can see here, we got our interlock grip ready to go. And the next step is, how firm are we holding this golf grip? I like to call it a Goldilocks strength, but what we want to do to kind of figure out where the tightness of the grip should be is kind of hold it as tight as you can, and then loosen it just a little more, and then oop! Once it starts falling through, that's about where or how tight you want the grip around the club. So just kind of play with that, and then once you kind of figure out that Goldilocks grip, you can kind of implement that when you're actually swinging the club. So now we have the grip all set up, so just take a few swings. It might feel very strange at first, but I promise you, after just playing around with it for a few swings and just getting used to the feeling, it'll become very natural. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we look forward to seeing you at our next Grip It Girl lesson. Thanks, guys.